What's up everybody? Sean with Turf Equipment. I've got a new treat for everyone. We just received our turfRad demo unit. This is a soil moisture measuring sensor that can be used to hone in your irrigation system. So we're going to kind of do an unboxing today and let's see what's inside. So it comes in this Pelican case that's super heavy duty. And let's see what's inside. So it looks like they've got all the brackets, a modem, some ratchet straps, the user manual, and here's the sensor. And then also a bunch of cables here. This looks like a power cable to a 12 volts. An alternative power cable looks like, or this looks like an alternative power cable to convert your 12 volt on a USB. This looks like our receiver and some more brackets. So got a user manual, and I think we're going to go through it and put this baby together. So let's check that out. Okay, so it looks like the instructions have a quick start guide for assembly, connecting the sensor configuration, and then just all the other specifications here for Wi-Fi, the automatic operations. So let's start with putting everything together. They gave us a universal mount that I believe you can put in either the bed of a cart or on the back of your fairway unit. What's for this?
Uh-oh.
There. Very cool. They have these 4 plates that have an adhesive that you would mount to each leg there. We're going to hold off on that. So it says 1 washer on each side. Here's this guy. Like so. We're getting it. We're turfradding, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
I think I found the easiest way to do this is to flip the frame upside down, and then you can slide this in just like so. And then just line up your holes, and the longer bolts will go in through those holes. It says 1 washer on each side with a nut on it, so we will do that. I'm just going to do these hand tight till I have all 4 in. So it looks like they gave extra hardware for all of your mounting brackets. So I'm just going to put those back in these Ziplocs and save those in case we need them. We will tighten this baby down and then look at connecting all of the electrical. Okay, so I ratchet strapped it down to this Pelican case to kind of show how it will look mounted on the mower or in the bed of your cart. Next, we're going to look at what hooks into these components on the back, and we'll kind of hook them in and go from there. So first we've got our GPS antenna, and that's going to connect in right here to this cable port. And then next, depending on how you're going to get your power, This will plug into your 12-volt cigarette lighter, or they also gave us this little conversion that will connect into the 12-volt, and then you can put it right into your USB. So, and that looks like it will go right here into this guy, and it has a little screw-on coupler here, and that's how you will get power. Okay, so from here we have all of the hardware hooked up. This kind of shows what it would look like if it was mounted on the back of your mower or in the bed of a utility vehicle. From here we would log into the turfRad portal, start setting up our Wi-Fi connection, and getting ready to go out and map on the course. So we will be doing that very soon. More to come, but pretty cool stuff. Looks like a pretty heavy-duty unit, and it says this is all water resistant, so we will be putting it to the test.